Okay, man. It's Sunday, August the 18th. I'm working on this most of the day today. Hooked it all up, cranked it up, and it works. I think everything is working on the bus. I think. Haven't checked every circuit, but the air conditioner is working. The fan, high, medium, and low speeds are working. We're pumping refrigerant, so those solenoid valves that are hooked on to those two guys are opening. I wouldn't call it a miracle, but very happy. Very happy everything's working. Apparently working anyway. So we're gonna have to make us a panel to cover this and do a little bit of cable management here. And this piece of floor mat that they put in here was a great idea to shield the electronics from any kind of leak that would occur here or if we left the window open. And it's just behind these screws on this panel that is supporting all this stuff now. So I'm going to explore moving that over if there's enough on this end that'll give me a piece to cover. I would probably be far better off just getting a new piece of that stuff, or just some like furniture naugahyde or something, any kind of waterproof plastic something or other that I can put in there to make sure that we don't get any rain leaks onto that stuff, because they've already thought about it, so I don't need to think about it. I want to do it. They being the original manufacturer. So we got a thunderstorm rolling in. So I closed up all my windows and my back door. I'm about done working on the inside. I did a little picking up. Here you can see the electrical wires are no longer in this area. All I have is the two refrigerant lines and the water drain line, which I'll make a little box for that goes along there.